If you're a homeowner in Coppell, you already know that Texas weather can be unpredictable, from scorching summers to chilly winter evenings. One of the smartest and most cost-effective upgrades you can make to your home is installing energy-efficient windows. Not only do they enhance comfort and curb appeal, but they can also lead to significant savings on your monthly utility bills. Let's take a closer look at how energy-efficient windows work, why they're perfect for Coppell homes, and how they can help lower your energy costs throughout the year. What makes a window energy efficient? Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to reduce the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home. Unlike standard windows, they are built with advanced features that minimize thermal transfer, such as low emissivity glass, a microscopic coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through, double or triple panes, multiple layers of glass with insulating gases like argon or krypton between them to improve insulation, insulated frames, materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist heat transfer better than traditional aluminum, tight seals and quality weather stripping to prevent air leaks and drafts. Together, these features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Combating Texas heat, Coppell summers can bring triple-digit temperatures, and without proper insulation, your air conditioner works overtime trying to keep your home cool. Traditional windows allow a significant amount of heat to seep in, forcing your cooling system to use more energy. Energy-efficient windows reflect solar heat and reduce solar heat gain, helping your home stay cooler naturally. As a result, your AC runs less often and for shorter periods, which translates to lower electricity bills, especially during peak summer months. Keeping winter heating costs down. While Texas is known for its heat, Coppell winters can still get chilly, especially during cold fronts. Energy-efficient windows provide an insulating barrier that keeps warm air inside your home and cold air out. This added insulation helps your heating system work more efficiently and reduces the need for space heaters or constantly adjusting your thermostat. Even small improvements in heat retention can result in substantial savings over the winter, making energy-efficient windows a year-round investment. Reducing drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest culprits behind high energy bills is air leakage. Older or poorly installed windows often develop gaps in the frame or lose their seal, leading to uncomfortable drafts and uneven temperatures throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows are manufactured with tight seals and modern frames that minimize air infiltration. By preventing conditioned air from escaping and outside air from creeping in, these windows reduce HVAC cycling and keep your indoor environment more comfortable, without running up your energy bill. Long-term savings that add up. While energy-efficient windows do involve an upfront investment, they can pay for themselves over time through monthly energy savings. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save between $125 to $465 annually by upgrading to Energy Star certified windows. In addition, many energy-efficient windows qualify for local rebates, federal tax credits, or utility incentives, which can help offset installation costs. When you factor in improved comfort, reduced wear on HVAC systems, and increased home value, the return on investment becomes even more compelling. Added benefits beyond energy saving. Lowering your utility bills is just the beginning. Energy-efficient windows also offer noise reduction, ideal for homes near busy roads or schools. UV protection, blocking harmful rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Increased home value, an attractive feature for future buyers. Eco-friendly living, reduced energy use means a smaller carbon footprint. Final thoughts for Coppell homeowners looking to lower their utility bills and increase comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows are a smart and sustainable solution. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an older one, investing in high-quality, professionally installed windows can lead to significant long-term savings and a more enjoyable living environment. If you're ready to take the next step, contact a trusted window replacement specialist in Coppell to explore your options. They'll help you choose the best styles, materials, and energy ratings for your home, and ensure you start saving sooner rather than later.